Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to change the format display or display format of your variable in Stata. So what this means is that for example, I'm gonna list the first 10 observation of variable called weight, W-I-Z-H-T, weight in first 10 observation. So it gives me the first 10 observations. So as you can see, so there are decimal points here, so I'm gonna round it to the whole number without the decimal point. So I have to change it to like decimal point 0. That means there will be no decimal point. So it's just the display format that you may want to change. So now in order to make it a whole number, you have to go to data and variable manager. I think it's variable manager. Go to variable manager and then select weight. In terms of format, you need to click on create. So type of data, I'll leave it numeric, and then numeric type, so generic numeric to fixed numeric. And then digits of right or decimal, so we're gonna put it 0. You can take it 1, 2, or 3, whatever number of decimal points you want, but I want 0, so no decimal points basically. And click OK and apply, get rid of it, and then do this again. And now you see only the whole numbers remain and the decimal points gone. So this is how you change the display format of your variable in Stata. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe my channel and also put your comment below if you find this helpful. Thanks.